So when I started building a business online, there was a couple things they would say to me, people that I was around, people that I was networking around, or people who were trying to coach me. They would say, Dee, you need to talk to your avatar and you need to niche down. Guys, that is one of the biggest fears that I had when building my business. And the reason why it was scary is because I was like, no, there are so many people that need to hear this or need to hear my voice. And there's so many people that need extra money, or maybe they want to quit their job, or maybe they want to stay home with their babies and they're looking for a way to make money online. But now I know, I get it now, right? A year and a half later, I get it. So my avatar is someone just like me. Someone just like me where I was 6 months ago, a year ago when I started. It's someone my age. I'm in my 50s. I'm going to be 53 this year. I want more time freedom. I want to be able to travel more. I don't want to live paycheck to paycheck. I want to be able to work from my phone. I want to be able to go to dinner, spend lots of money on my friends and family and not have to say, oh my God, wait a minute, let me check my checking account. And that's mind blowing because a lot of us get stuck by saying, what's an avatar and who is my avatar? Shh, it's you. Look in the mirror. It's you. Here's the other thing. Niche down, niche down, whatever you want to say. I don't even care. But I was afraid to do that because again, I was like, there's so many people that need to hear my voice and so many people that are burnt out and they're 9 to 5. And guys, yeah, I call it 9 to 5, but I work 12 hours. So whatever, I work in healthcare. You get it. Now I get it. So I used to be like, you know what? I'll just be in the wealth niche. I will be in the make money online and I will just talk to everybody. Nope, I don't want to do that anymore. I want to talk to those who are in healthcare, those who have the same job as I do, those who have RN behind their name. I know your pain. I know you worked your ass off. I know you're just another person that shows up every day and you have a shit ton of work piled on you and nobody cares. Sometimes it actually feels like you're on an island. And I didn't want to continue to live my life like that because guys, even though I'm going to be 53 years old, I would seriously probably have to work another 20 years before I retire. That's a no for me. I'd love to know if you're following me and you work in healthcare. I would love to know how old you are. Yeah, I know you're not supposed to ask that, but just drop how old you are down in the comments. If you have a nest egg and you have enough money to retire, and what you do. What area in healthcare? Are you a paramedic? Are you a nurse? Do you work in interventional radiology? I would love to know.